Hello and welcome to another episode of FTB's Infinity Evolved. My name is Kakan, and this episode we're probably going to build us a little tree farm. Last episode I started with the automation, or I proceeded with the automation. I built my auto sieve here and auto hammers and the compactors, and but I thought it was too small, so in the meantime I increased it. Well, I pretty much doubled it. So now I'm processing gravel and dust to get the diamonds and redstone, which we will need in, well, you can never have enough of it. So yeah, let's get started. Oh, and I also increased my smeltery a bit. It's pretty simple. You just dump in a lot of cobblestone and wait for it. I built a redstone clock, so it will just pour them out automatically, and I pull them out with a transfer node. And yeah, I have still a few stacks of seared stones left. I'm not too sure what to do with it, but I think I'll find a way to use them. Oh, and I also built a new water wheel, or well, 3 water wheels to power everything I built here. So yeah, and it's barely keeping up, so this is really just, yeah, it's not everything is full, but it's running pretty much without any stops, so I'm pretty pleased with it. Okay, so I want to build a tree farm to get more energy, because as I said, we are really tapped out at the moment, and a tree farm combined with well, yeah, I usually build one of those boilers, the low pressure and the high pressure boiler. I usually go with a high pressure boiler because it's more material efficient, so I don't need that much iron to build one, and that's, I think, what I'm going to do this time too. The only difference is that I need steel instead of iron, so I need to process more steel, and for that I really want to upgrade my blast furnace, because the blast furnace is, well, in this state it's pretty inefficient. So I'm going to break this one down, and I'm also going to break the coke oven down, mainly because I'm probably going to build the tree farm over here. Well, that's why I'm just, you know, constructing a new little island, and to have a nice path to there, I need them out of my way. So yeah, let's just get rid of them. Okay, I need some cobblestone slabs to cover the holes. I'm going to tear in the ground. I think I still have some. Grab them real quick. Yeah, and I also already prepared stone bricks and the electrum tubes and pretty much all, well, not everything we need, but some parts we're going to need for the tree farm, especially because I only have two furnaces right now. I don't want to build a lot of them, so I smelted everything in advance, so it's going a bit faster. Okay. You might have noticed I changed the material for the island. So for the tree farm, I probably want something else, not a cobblestone or smooth stone. And I was thinking about wood, but I'm a bit afraid that it will burn down. On the other hand, you know, it doesn't really matter if the island burns down as long as everything else stays. So I'm probably going with wood slabs for that. And I used to have a lot of creosote, so maybe I can build it out of um, the creosote. What's it called? Treated wood. Yeah, so I'm probably going with treated wood slabs, and there are also fences, so I can build everything from it. I think it's a nice color for like the whole agriculture theme. And when I'm not too sure if I'm going to build another plantation later, but when I'm going to do that, it be on that island too. So everything's kind of sorted, like theme-wise. We have this island, which is going to be like the industrial area with the smeltery and all the machines. Then we have the energy generation over there, and all the plant stuff over there. Then I probably need to build, or I want to build like a mob farm somewhere. And of course, maybe at one point I'm actually going to build me a little home, like, you know, to come home to and feel safe, and a place for all my trophies. Well, okay, it's only one trophy so far, but I think there will be more, or I heard, well, I reckon. Well, let's see. Trophy. Ah, you can't even see them. That's nice. That's not too bad. But you know, it seems that there are the mob trophies here, so I'm probably going to get some of these, and yeah. Okay, now we have the space. Let's set let's build us. Where are the blast bricks? We actually need 20. No, we need 27 blast bricks. Did I lose one? Oh no. You know what? I still have one. Because you always make 28 of them, and one is left over. So I'm lucky. And you only have to combine them. This will give us the reinforced blast bricks. And I think you need a hopper to put on top of the block. And then you need to smash it again with your engineer's hammer. But first, yeah, I really need to find a nice place for it. So, the plan is for the future, like this furnace is, well, the smeltery is massive, and you actually don't need one that big. So I'm probably going to make it a bit flatter and make this an automated one. So everything I'm going to sieve will be filled in here and automatically smelted down. And then I need another one, which I'm going to place right here, I think, when I want to cast something. Yeah, so in the end I'm going to have two smelteries, but I think they probably, well, need about the same space, I think. So I'm not, I don't need to, you know, I can't build it too close to here. So I think I'm going over here. And I'm building the coke oven first, so let's see, it's 1, 2, 3 in one space, and 1 space, and 1, 2, 3. 1 space. Okay, it should work. We probably need to move the assembly table at one point, but right now it doesn't really matter. I only used it like 1 or 2 times, really, for some chips. We can't really build machine frames yet, because for that we need the compressor. I mean, we could build a compressor, but yeah, we don't really need it yet. And before I'm going into all the machinery, I want to have a solid power source. And I guess once I have the the tree farm and everything set up, we should be fine energy-wise. So, this one's a bit special. First, you will notice that I'm not going to bury it in the ground. I'm leaving it on top, mainly because there are it won't stay a block. Yeah, once I hit it with well, it's a bit of a spoiler, but anyways, let's put a hopper on top, and to finish it we have to hit it with the engineer's hammer, and now it looks like that. So it's quite a transformation, and the special thing about it is that you can add parts to it on the sides. Let's have a look at it. Immersive engineering, and we have, where are they? You need, no, it's not. Oh, here they are. You can add blast furnace preheaters on the sides, which will increase the efficiency of the whole furnace. You need to power them with electricity or energy of any kind, really, as long as you need using those cables. And you can construct an automatic input on top, but only accepts it from top as far as I know, and it will output the slag on the back and the the steel in front. So yeah, it's not so modular. Well, it's not so configurable to say. You know, it has fixed in and outputs. Okay, so let's just put something in and let it process. Stack should be fine. Oh, it's still a block of coal. You can't use coal. We need to coke or we can put in the coke here. We need coal coke, or the other ones. Charcoal. Charcoal also works. This will give about 12 blocks, but I'm not too sure actually. It's always roundabout. Or maybe only when I have the preheaters. I'm not too sure really. Okay. Anyways, now that is sorted, and next thing to do is build my little island. So yeah, I think I'll just do this off camera real quick, and I'll be back in a second. And it finally happened. I fell out of the world. Okay, that was stupid. I tried to build my little island here. Problem was I was snaking, and I built a half slab, and I put another one on top of it, and yeah, then I fell through it. Yeah, shit happens. Okay, so I need to build all my material again, and yeah, then I can continue. So yeah, I'll be back in a bit. See you. Okay, I've finally finished my platform right here. Still missing a little bit, and there's no fence around it due to recent loss of material. But yeah, it should work for now, and I mean I can increase it later anyways. It shouldn't be a big problem. I just ran out of cruiside oil, so my coke oven is running full time now, and trying to get a lot of oil so I can, you know, finish it up properly. So next thing to do is building the farm, and for that let's have a look at the recipe. It's a farm block as far as I remember. Exactly, here we go. And the forestry farm is a multi-block structure, so you can use different sizes. I'm going with 3 by 5 by 4, so it's 4 high, 5 wide and 2 deep. That is pretty much the most efficient way when it comes to blocks used and farmland generated. So yeah, I'm going with this, and for that we need all in all 60 blocks. So 60 of these, and for that we need 120 copper and a lot of wood slabs, well 120 to be exact, and 60 electron tubes, tin electron to be exact. And yeah, let's get wood slabs. Let's see if I still have some. Probably not when I see right. Shouldn't be in here. No, okay. So I need to make a bit more wood and yeah, build some slabs. I'm just doing this really quick off camera. I'll be back in a second. Okay, here we go. I have the oak wood slabs and the stone bricks copying it, and here we have 60 farm blocks. Okay, the farm blocks are pretty much a filler material. For the whole thing to work, we need those things as well. It's the farm gearbox, the farm hatchet, farm valve, and the farm control. I'm not sure about farm control, to be honest. It's used to turn it off, I think, or turn yeah, certain sides of the farm off. I'm going to build one because it's really not that expensive, and yeah. Then we have the farm valve. We are going to have to pump in water for it to work. So yeah, that's the block where we're going to pump in the water. Then we have the farm hatchet. In the farm hatchet, that's pretty much the item input. So we're going to input the sapling there, and since it's the forestry farm, we need the fertilizer from forestry. And yeah, the gearbox, I'm actually not too sure what the gearbox does. I need to look that up. Yeah, I'll check it, and I'll tell you later what it does. So let's start building everything we need. For that we need a gearbox. Oh, and the farm hatch is also used as output. So if we want to get our stuff out, we need a hatchet as well. I'm not too sure if you can use the same hatchet for input and output, so I'm going to use to build 2 of them. So we need 2 times 2 tin gears for this one. So we have 4 and 7 with these, and one more 8 tin gears. Okay, I'm going to cast them real quick and also build the golden electron tube we need, and I'll be back in a second. So I got all my tin gears, I got the electron tubes we need, so now we can just craft everything. So 1 gearbox, 1 hatchet, no, we wanted 2 hatchets, 1 valve, and 1 farm control. Here we go. I looked it up. The farm gearbox is actually what's accepting the energy input. So without that, your farm will have no power and won't work. So very important. Yeah, I think we're pretty much ready to set everything up. Just taking a lot of stone bricks with me because we're going to need them. essentially there are two things we need to build. First thing is the farm itself, like the multi-block structure, and then we also need to build a platform on which everything will grow. So let's see, 1, 2, 3. Here, I think here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and one left. Oh well, 1, 2. Okay, let's build it here. I'm actually going to build it off ground this time, and I think it makes things easier. Oh well, those are wrong blocks. Huh. That won't work. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5 times 3. Okay, and now I'm going to place our special blocks. I think I'm going to put the hatchet on this side. Yeah, like, let me think. Put the water one on that side, and put the valve, the control right here, because I don't think we're going to need it. Then I want it to accept the energy pretty easy, so let me see that we have a clear line, so it has to be on this side as well. And I want the output to be close to the input, so I can route the saplings back. And also I want I will probably build my boiler over there, so I want there to be a nice way for all the wood to go over there. So let's see how we're going to do this. I'll just put them anywhere. Hatchets, well, let's say put the hatchets like this, and the gearbox right here, that should work. Oh, and it finally stopped to rain, that's really nice. So, okay, let's finish this up. Okay, I need another half slab to get up there, or any material really. No, that won't work. I need a treated wood half slab, and I don't have one. Nice. Oh well, whatever. Doesn't really matter. So, okay. That's always a problem when you're building with half slabs. I can't just jump up and place a block underneath me because I'm not jumping high enough. So yeah, that's a disadvantage of building with half slabs. It's more efficient and you have no monster spawning, but that's one of the disadvantages. You have to live with it. Okay, now once I've placed the last block and everything works as it should, then there should a line appear around it. So let's see, and it worked. Great. So actually I need this. Okay, I see. Okay, so we have an input and an output, I think. and we have the water level, and that's probably for the fertilizer. And right now it's, well, arboretum, that means it's just a tree farm really. It has no power so far, and yeah, everything looks pretty good. Great. So, what we're still missing is the platform where we can grow things on, and we have to build it. I think with the same material as you used to create those farm blocks. So in this case, it's going to be stone bricks. So okay, the platform is going to be 6 wide in each direction. So 6 blocks from here, 6 blocks from there, and from there, and then you just fill it like a triangular shape. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, cool. No. Okay, so I'm just going to fill this in, and I hope I have enough blocks. I'm not too sure about that actually, but I think it should be enough. So yeah, see you in a second. Okay, the platform's finished. It's not too big, but I mean, it's just a little tree farm. It should be giving us enough wood and stuff to work with. So I'm just going to destroy a little stair right here. So okay. Now we still need to set everything up. For the farm valve, we need a decent water supply. I'm thinking about just making an infinite water source right here and putting an a transfer node with a world interaction upgrade next to it. So this should supply this with enough water. Farm gearbox, I'm probably just going to build one of those nice little posts right here, so I can hook this one up. And for the farm hatch, yeah, I'm probably also going with the transfer nodes for now, because everything else is really expensive. And yeah, I hope it's enough. I really have to look into it. And we also need to make, well, for now it's probably enough just to fill it up with a lot of fertilizer, but in the future we might want to look into some way to automate the fabrication, because we're getting a lot of the where is it? Appetite? No. Appetite. No, it is appetite. Okay. So that's a really good thing about a Skyblock, because you're getting all the materials on pretty solid without much effort. So yeah, that should work fine for the future. But right now, as I said, I'm just going to build a few stacks and put them somewhere. So I'm just getting all the materials, build everything that I don't have, and I'll be back in a second. Well, guess what I've forgotten. Well, now we have a little mob farm. Awesome. Really didn't want that to happen. No! Oh, fuck. Okay. Well, that wasn't too bad. Okay, so I just have to wait for the sun to come up, and everything should be fine. That's a compressed zombie. That's really interesting. When you kill one of these, they explode into 9 of them. So, yeah, you get a lot of zombies from it. but that's really all they're good for. No extra loot bags or anything. But yeah. Anyways. Yeah, as I said, I'll probably just wait until it's lit up and everything should go away except for the spiders, and I can easily kill them off. Yeah. Okay. Let's get back to getting all the stuff I need. So, I think I finally got everything I need. I have a diamond chest and some transfer nodes and pipes and an item filter to you know, make a nice setup to get the wood out and putting the saplings and the fertilizer back in. I have a transfer node for the liquids with a world interaction upgrade and some buckets of water. And we also have the energy connectors, wooden post, so we can power this thing up. So, okay, let's place this one right here. Right here. And we need the hammer, which I think I might have lost early on, like, yeah, I think it's gone. So, for that we need, I think it was 2 iron and a wire, and a string. Immersive engineering. No? Here we go. Engineer's hammer. Oh, it's regular sticks. Okay, so it's not too bad. If I have any, which I don't. Do I? No. Doesn't matter. Just grab a block of wood. That's enough. There we go. Okay, and 2 iron. Steel, steel, iron. That's iron. Here we go. Oh, and as you can see, I lit up the platform, so no more monsters spawning and invasion at night. That was really, really scary. I'm lucky I noticed it early enough. Okay, I can't get up there unless I put something underneath. Let's do this. And here we go. So let's place the wire connector. One here. And connect them. Should be going. Okay, great. And the other one just right here. Connected. And let's see, do we have power? We have power. I think we have power since the symbol for no power just vanished. Let's check this again. Okay, it doesn't say anything. Okay, great. That's just how I love it. Let's put in the fertilizer. Okay, now it wants water. So, yeah, let's just set everything up and see if it works. It's probably the easiest way. So, for the water, as I said before, I'm going to make an infinite water source and put a transfer node next to it. And that should actually, I hope it works. I've never really tried it in this pack, but I don't see why it shouldn't. So, let's see. No. I want like the infinite water block to be here, so I can place it right there. And oh no, that's the farm control. Like this. Okay. I don't want to enclose it with dirt. It's just so I can place something next to it. So it's like this. And yeah, let's wrap this around. no, it's... No. Wrong. It's all wrong. Actually, where the dirt block is, that's where I need my slabs. So I have water, 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 and the node right here. So that should work, yeah. Like this, okay. Okay, so that looks a bit better. So let's see. I'm going to place this right here so that I won't get washed away. One here, one here. That's an infinite water block right there. And now I should be able to place it like this. And I'm not. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, that's actually what it says. Say water generation. I need a liquid transfer node attached to a water source block that has two adjacent water source blocks. That's what I actually have right here. So, okay, let's see if I place it like this. Put this one in. I don't think it will work. No, why would it? I need a way to rotate that. Yeah, I can't even put it on top of that. Oh no, that wasn't too good. Just destroyed one of my source blocks. Put it back like this. Okay, I need to check that out real quick and see how to put the transfer node on the water block. I'll be back in a second. Okay, I found a solution. I have to replace the water block first, and then I can place the transfer node next to it, and when I break the block, then the water block gets generated again, and yeah, here we go, transfer node placed on the water block. And with the world interaction upgrade, it draws water into our farm, and yeah, works perfect, just like I wanted. Okay, cool. Now we have energy, we have water. What are we still missing? Well, actually nothing for the farm to run at the moment. We have yeah, our two hatches we need to set up, and oh no, that's really not too good. I need one block space between those two. Just do this really quick, because otherwise the pipes will cross. So yeah, that should work better. I made the diamond chest, so we have a lot of space in that, and hopefully it works like I thought it might. So we need one of each to configure our item filter. So the plan is I have one chest and I just dump everything in there. Like I'm going to dump in the oak saplings, the fertilizer, and at the end this chest will be full of wood, and I'll be drawing the wood out of this chest once I build everything else. So for now this just works like yeah, I'm getting my transfer node, put it right here, and pipe everything into the chest. So, and here I'm going to also put in also going to use the transfer node, but with an item filter. So we only want the fertilizer and the oak saplings to be pumped back. Actually, we might check if it really matters, because I think it might be intelligent enough. Let's just see. Could I put in something like that? No. This? No. That? No. This one? Yes. Okay, so I think it will actually it seems that it is clever enough that it only draws the thing it could actually use. But I'm going to well, I built the item filter, so let's use it. Why not? Just to be sure. And another thing we have to do before our farm can work is to set everything up here. This farm is not automatic. Well, it will be working automatically, but you need to do the initial setup yourself. So just place dirt everywhere. I don't think it will work on those blocks, but I'm actually not too sure. If I have enough dirt, I'll probably do those ones too. As you can see in the back there, I got rid of all my barrels and I just made one single setup with a hopper. So and the chests, I put the chest on top of the hopper, filled it up with leaves, and the hopper filled the barrel automatically, and have another hopper beneath it, which just draws everything out once it's composted. So yeah, that's really useful, because you don't have to put in everything by hand, so it saves a lot of time. And yeah, automation is king. It really is. If you want to do this mod pack like manual, you're going to die before you get anywhere. Okay, let's see. How much dirt are we missing? There's still a bit, I think. It doesn't really matter too much right now, because it's only a tree farm, so if it's not like 100% full of dirt, it doesn't really matter too much. But what I really want to have is like, you know, it to be evenly placed. So just going to take some out randomly and fill up everything over there. I can replace, you know, the dirt in those hills anytime soon, so it doesn't really matter that much. Okay. Okay, I think I can leave it like this for now. And now I'm just going to place a lot of saplings on top. As I said, this farm will replace the trees it houses, but only the ones I planted before. So actually, for now, this should all be fine, but in the future, I really want to make this like a 100% full of dirt and saplings. And yeah, I mean, I still have to build all the other stuff, like the boilers and the machinery to build the boilers and everything. So we still have some time until this gets critical. And until then, I think I have everything set up right here as well. Okay, so this does not look too bad. Let's see, can I use this fertilizer directly? Okay, here we go. Let's see if it's working. Doesn't really look like it. Is everything set up? Yes. Water is 100%. The fertilizer. Okay, yeah, I don't really see why it should not work. Okay, so it is hydrated. It has everything it needs, otherwise it would say it here. So yeah, maybe it's just like really slow. I hope not. Oh well, okay. Let's build some other things. I said I wanted to build those boilers, and for that, let's have a look at the recipe. High pressure boiler. So we need. I always like to go for the maximum. So in this case, it's 3 by 4 by 3, which means 9 times 4, which is 36. 36 of those high pressure boiler tanks. We need steel plates for that, 2 for 1, and those ones we get 4 for each steel we put in. So it's actually we need 36 times 2, which is 72. Okay, let's see how much iron we have. Steel. Well, it doesn't look too bad, especially since I also got some blocks here. Yeah, that's enough. So that's really good. We already have enough material to build the tank. But the machine to build those steel plates is the rolling machine, and we don't have one of these yet. Thing is, they are not very expensive, and we can also use them to create where is it? There's no use? I thought they were used in for the compression drawers. Yeah, I have to check that. So we need iron gears, 4 iron gears, and also tin electron tubes, which we still have. So 4 iron gears and 4 pistons. So let's get to work, and we're still out of wood. We're always out of wood. Oh, it seems. Is it? I think one of those trees got chopped down. Yeah, perfect. Great, so I don't have to do it on my own. Here we go. It's time to get rid of those trees. It's just a pain. I don't like to do things manually. Okay, here we go. A lot of oak, and a lot of planks. Great. We need cobblestone. Cobblestone. I had to enclose this one because I noticed that this lava block can set the barrel on on fire. So yeah, I noticed it in time, so nothing really happened. Did I hear a spider? Oh no, it was just the sand. Good. So we need redstone, we need more redstone, and we need iron. So pistons. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, what the heck? And we need those gears, and for that, let's see how much iron do we have. A lot. Okay, so 50. Let's see. I always try to make to smelt multiples of 9, because then they will cast perfectly into those blocks. So let's see. Well, that's another. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah. It doesn't really matter because we're going to smelt to cast gears. So yeah, it won't. I thought I turned this one off. Oh, it's only working when I place it directly onto the block. Okay, good to know. Yeah, anyways, this is going to take a minute to smelt. Let's get our cast to be a cast. Here we go. Great. So once this is all smelted, we can start to cast the iron gears, and yeah, then we can build us our rolling machine. So yeah, just have to look for the compression drawers, because I always thought compacting drawers. Oh, you don't even need that. So they're really cheap. Okay, I need to get some of those because they're really great. So once I have them, I can use those compressed hammers and compressed auto hammers and compressed sieves, and yeah, it's just going to be so more efficient. Well, energy wise and output wise, you have to pay a bit more energy, but you get like 5 times of what you would get this way. So it's a big improvement, and it's really worth doing. And yeah, in the regular Infinity Evolved, you needed those drawers, those rolling machines to craft them. So I didn't check the recipe. I always thought, just assumed it would be the same. But yeah, they tweaked it. They made it easier. That's strange. You know? I didn't expect it to get easier. I thought it would be way harder. Okay, rolling machine. Here we go. Thin electron tubes. I still need those. Yep. And here we go. Let's set this one up. Yeah, just next to other machines. And okay, I still have some wires and connectors. Here. And I lost this one. Right, okay. So, what did I say? 72 of those. Let me think. 72, it's 16. So, okay. So this will give us exact amount of steel plates we need. The last one won't craft until unless I click on this. So the recipe gets saved unless you explicitly say, okay, craft it. Right. Okay, let's get rid of those trees. We don't need them anymore. And it's a good feeling. So, we have all the material, or soon we will have all the material for the boilers themselves. What we still need is the part underneath. Get rid of this one. This one always grows into a big tree because of those chests right here. Okay, what else do we need? We need how are they called? Here we go. Solid fueled boiler firebox. There are two kinds, the liquid one and the solid one. And we are going to use charcoal for this. So, well, to fuel it. So we need 9 of those, which means we need a lot of, clay. I still have some, but it has to be smelted and everything, so I'm just going to do this off camera, so you don't have to watch it. See you in a second. So, I got all the bricks I need, I got the fire charges and the furnaces. So here we go, 9 solid fueled boiler fireboxes. That's really nice. Let's just set it up, and I think that's all I'm going to do for today, because video is already pretty long, so yeah, let's do this fast. Let's see. Yeah. Why don't I go? Okay. One, two, three, 4 high. Here we go, steam boiler. Great. Isn't it a beauty? Okay, so steam boiler needs water and it needs solid fuel, but I think all the setup we're going to do next time. So yeah, see you next time. I hope you enjoyed the video. I finally died, so yeah, at least something good came out of it. Yeah, see you next time. I hope you liked it, as I said already, and yeah, next time we're going to proceed setting up everything, and we're probably going to build some steam dynamos so that we can get some energy out of this system. Okay, great, and see you next time. Bye bye.